Hello, Funko Fanatics. I know it's been a while since I have posted a video, but I hope this makes up because I do have 3 boxes. I am waiting on the next one, which is the villain box, but I do finally got Secret Wars, Ant-Man, The Avengers. So, hopefully, y'all like it. I do too. I can't wait for the next box. I do like how they are so detailed, though, because this is the top of the box. And then inside, I actually think I'm going to keep the box because it does look quite nice. And each of them come with a pen and patch. And then inside, as you can see, is the Hulkbuster. Now, Steve already has gotten this. He had just bought the Hulkbuster itself. So this one is actually mine. And I like how he is so detailed. It's just a shame that they didn't make the actual Hulk, a big one like this. That would have been nice to put on the shelf. And then it came with this exclusive. And I do like the t-shirt. Well, let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, stuff falling out. Now, this is really nice. I don't know if I could let Steve have this one. I'll probably keep it. So, hopefully he doesn't fight me on it. And it comes also with a comic book. So I definitely got to see this. It took a while for me to get my boxes because I did have a mix-up. They did mess up on my address. So it took me a while to get this in. So let me go ahead and grab the other boxes. I'll be right back. So now, with the Ant-Man, this is the one that I had a problem with. And the company is actually really good at handling problems. I did have to email. I couldn't call nobody. But they did solve my problem. Oh, and let me show you the top of the box. Oh, pins are falling. So this one also comes with the patch and pin. Now this one came with 2 little mystery pops, or what are they called? These are pocket pops, actually. Now, when I had received it, one of the heads were actually off. So I had gotten this one. This is the one that the actual head was off of it. And I did send a picture to them because it was like this in the bag. So this is the other one I have. But they were nice enough to send me another one. And they actually sent me another box, which I kind of like the boxes. And like I said before, I might keep them. So I actually have 2 of them. But they did send me a extra comic book. And an extra pocket mini, which is this one. So I got at least, oh, his head's on backwards. I got these ones. And Actually, Steve actually took out the pop, so let me go look for it. Okay, I found it. So here is that Ant-Man. And I do like how he has the, this is my actual size. And they have it here. And the t-shirt that came with it, pretty much this is the whole t-shirt right here. And that's where I got the quote. This is my actual size. I do like the t-shirts that come with it. They are really nice and designed. So, for the Secret Wars, I actually thought that this was Thor on top of it. And after you see what's inside, I was absolutely wrong. So these are the patches that come with it. Now the t-shirt, I do kind of like this one though. And it feels nice too. It doesn't feel like it's gonna mess up in the wash. So let's see what else they have. I do like that with this comic book, they actually put plastic on it, so it's better to keep it. Like the other two, I'm going to have to go ahead, well, the other three, because I do have two of the Ant-Man one. I'm going to have to buy sleeves to put them in, but that's fine. And this is Thor Secret Wars. And she is actually really detailed. And I am loving this Spider-Man. This kind of has like a blue-black paint job with the red lining. So I did like that one a lot. So that's all I have for right now. Like I said, I am still waiting to get my villain box in. So hopefully soon I could do the unboxing of that.